Stefan Aarnio is an author of an amazing book called Hard Times Create Strong Men, and in the business section of that book he writes about building wealth. And there is one sentence that will completely stay in your brain, which is that you can become a millionaire in 5 years if you put hard work and dedication into it. And let's try to explain this concept on a bit deeper level, yeah? And first of all, one actionable step is to look around yourself and think what others are doing. For example, what are your friends doing? What are your schoolmates doing? What are your peers doing right now when they came back from school? They are playing video games, they are watching porn, they are watching television, they are watching YouTube, and they are maybe spending already 1 or 2 or 3 hours on social media. They are just like every other person who is not doing anything. And you are the same, and I was the same as well. This is why I want to motivate you, and I want to open your eyes a bit to see that we actually live in a matrix. And matrix is Andrew Tate's description about the modern society, where people get so easily distracted by social media, porn, television, YouTube, whatever, and they don't do anything because of that. For example, people have so big dreams, so big ambitions, and yet when they have to do the hard work, they don't do it at all. When I had to do the hard work for having a good marks, which was my biggest goal in the high school, I found 1000 excuses why I cannot do this. Oh yeah, I'm tired, I don't know how to do this, maybe I will do it tomorrow, I don't understand that topic, and so on and so on. Everything except taking the book and studying. And when I started working back in 2019, I was complaining how I'm poor, how I don't have money, how I'm working for others, and yet I didn't do anything for my own projects. And so far I have been saying so much, yeah, I will do this, I will do that, and almost nothing came out of it. Up until recently, when I decided that enough is enough, and I will try to do something, I will try to push forward, and whatever happens, happens. Time will pass anyway. I have nothing to lose but only to gain. And my biggest gain would be that I teach others about stock market and self-improvement, because those are the topics that I'm most interested in. And just like Andrew Tate says, we need to escape that matrix. We need to escape this big scheme where we don't know them, but they are our enemies, and they are trying to distract us, because the perfect person from this matrix is someone who works 9 to 5, who has repetitive jobs, who is easily replaceable by your employer. For example, if you work 9 to 5, yeah, you are just a number for them. Literally, you are literally a number, and if you start to complain, they will find some Indian guy who will do the more work than you for half of the money. And the last concept of this matrix person is that they make others rich. If you are working right now, you make others rich. I'm working in a bank, so I'm making bank rich instead of myself. And this is the most important concept. Working for others is the concept that we will try to describe right now in this video, okay? And Stefan Aarnio said that in 5 years you can become a millionaire if you do the hard work. And this is true, bro. First of all, okay, everyone starts with 9 to 5 because this is the first thing that you do when you come completely brainwashed out of the university, okay? And then you realize that you want to do something else. Just think about it. If you are working right now, can you imagine yourself in that position for 40 fucking years, bro? Can you imagine that? I cannot, because this is not who I am. I want to work in stock market, I want to work with stocks, and I want to also improve others. I want to somehow combine those two concepts into one, and this is why I'm doing this. This is why I'm trying to push you forward, you know, because you're still young and you still have that potential to be changed. It's much easier to change when you are 17, 18, 19 years old, just like you are right now, than me, who I am. I'm 23 already, bro. You know what I mean? People are mindless. They come into this world and they think that they will become rich. No, they will not. People are lazy, people are brainwashed, and people are actually blind, bro. Because they get distracted so easily. Because, for example, how does Instagram work? Yeah? Okay, you like cars, so of course you will watch cars with content cars, okay? No, you will watch cars as a content, okay? And then someone will post some tuned car and you'll be like, ooh, wow, I like that. And then you check their posts and that's how it snowballs into from 5 minutes to 10 hours. Okay, that's a bit too big, but you know what I mean. From 5 minutes to 1 hour maybe. And I know that you want to become different because you are watching this video right now. You are watching my YouTube channel and you already think about the ways to change it, okay? And this is the first step, bro. If you put at least some little hard work, look, this much, you will already be better than 50% of the people. Because they are naive enough to think that success will come just like that by working for others. No, it will not, bro. They are thinking, oh yeah, I want to achieve so many great things. I want to buy new car, new house. I want to pay off my loan. And when they come home, they don't do anything. Anything, bro. I know that you are right now a bit confused. Yeah, what's the point of this video? The point of this video is, bro, to motivate you to start working. If you want to become rich, I guarantee you, just like Stefan guarantees you, that in 5 years you will do it. I started with this YouTube channel, I think in December, and right now I already have 3 watch hours and 7 subscribers. Not in a single live, bro. I was thinking and expecting to have that. I'm really happy. And I write that every day in my gratitude journal. I'm happy for my subscribers. I'm happy that someone is listening to me, that someone thinks about the same topics than I do, you know? If you're watching me, I know you want to change. And hard work is the change, bro. 5 years. 5 years, bro. We can do this. If you were playing computer for 10 or 15 years already, then you can do a bit of hard work for 10 years. Do you want women? Good. Do the hard work. Do you want cash? Great. Do the hard work. Do you want car? Do you want Lamborghini, Ferrari, Porsche? Good, bro. Do the hard work. Do you want mansion? Good. Do it. Do, bro. People are just talking and not doing anything. Take this into your advantage. Just like Stefan did. Just like other YouTubers did. 5 years is all what it takes according to Stefan, and you can trust him, and I trust him as well, and I trust Hamza as well. He built his fortune in 2-3 years. Imagine that. Imagine being, I don't know, if you are 18 years old, imagine being a millionaire with 23. I'm 23 years old. Imagine me being a millionaire with 28. Making 1 million euros faster than your parents in the whole life. If you come from a developed country. Think about it, bro. 5 years is all what it takes to become a self-made millionaire if you put hard work into it. Do the hard work and see you on top of the world.